Howdy ho, this is Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm in low carb maintenance mode. Thank you. Y'all, I forgot to push record. I was singing, I was talking, I was singing. Hey mambo, it's Italiano. Hey mambo. Been talking away. And the reason why is because I made up a salad, and to go with it is my ground beef, and I used this. And I used this. And I seasoned up the meat with parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. So I was even singing that song. You guys. Anyway, so I'll tell you. I had my meat. And it's got this and a splash of this on it. And then I've got my salad. It's all made up. I used my usual dressing. And I added some banana peppers and some bread and butter chips. And some this kind of peppers. And I told y'all that I put in 2 apples because one of them's bad. One of them's like half bad. The other, and then I even tomorrow starts my 1.5 burger patties. I'm telling you, can't believe it. I can't believe it. I was just talking in such a good mood. Well, now I'm cranky because I forgot to hit record. Well, whatever. Sorry. Y'all seen me make my stuff hundreds of times. But anyway, still, I'm sorry I forgot it. Oh, I know. That's whenever I caught it. Because I walked up to show y'all. I bought these. And I'm going to share them. I'm going to take them to my mama's house when I go. Or not take them. I put some out in little containers. Because my family will come to town at Christmas, and they stay with her, and so she can give them, they can have some of that, because I won't drink it all by the end of who knows when. But anyway, so we laughed, you and I, we laughed, we cried, we told stories, we had the best of times. It was the best of times, but in the end it was the worst of times because I didn't record it. Anyway, sorry, but okay, I'll see you at breakfast in the morning. Bye. I don't know if you can hear that, but Lou is snoring. It is so hard to be Lou. It's hard being your brother. You're so tuckered. He sleeps so hard and snores so loud. Listen. That's your brother, Callie. Anyway, he's sleeping hard, ain't he, girl? He puts in a hard day guarding this house. He puts up with you and Sammy dog. He puts up with a lot of shenanigans. It's getting a little bit louder. Yes, it's hard being your brother, sis. All right, back to the food. Let's check things out Monday. It was a little high over the weekend, which is fine. All right, that's where we're at. So we got some things catching up to me. Inflammation from doing a lot of heavy labor and working, as well as Thanksgiving, and then eating the stuff the day after Thanksgiving. So it's all, it all's got to go somewhere, that extra fluid. So it's coming on, and that's all right. Just showing you. To be honest, this weekend it was 169. I just don't want to show you every single day I'm weighing or anything, but so now we're just going to work it back down by eating the things we eat. So just remember, a scale is just a snapshot of where you are in that moment from what you've eaten, from the inflammation, from everything. So don't freak out just because your scale isn't where you want it to be, or is it because it's up just a little bit. You may have been doing some manual labor and now you got inflammation. So, all right, bye. Okay, let's see how this is going to work with my burgers. It's funny. I usually make sure my phone is sitting up straight, and I hit record and make sure it's not going to fall. And I edit that stuff out. Well, after my surgery, y'all are going to be seeing all the things because I'm just going to hit record and talk and hit stop. I ain't going to be able to edit all that fancy stuff out when I only got one eye. So, I mean, I might be able to, but don't count on it. What is today? Monday for me, so it's Wednesday for you. So for you, tomorrow's surgery day. Anyway, so I got my 1.5 burgers, and I'm going to see how this works. Just experimenting. They're 85%. Okay, bye. Hey, it is lunchtime, and I've got my, I don't know, tomato sauce and Alfredo something or another. My salad. Last night I was like, oh, I forgot to add tomatoes. So I brought a bag of tomatoes, a little baggie. I don't know why I grabbed this fork. I can't scoop it up like I like to do. Yeah, we're talking. Did I do dressing on this? You wouldn't know. I don't think I did. I feel like, I don't know. It don't taste like I usually, my dressing. I don't know. Oh well, I'm still going to eat it. I think I forgot dressing. Oh well. It'll be alright. Then I got my apples. Because one of them's, I'm going to be eating around it and around it. I should have cut it up. But that'd make too much sense. Yeah, I don't think. There's no dressing in the bottom of this. I might go in the break room and get some ranch. Some people have some ranch in there. I'm going to get some, so shh. Okay. Shh. Okay, bye. Okay, yes. One of my team members, she keeps ranch dressing in the break room. So I was able to get a little bit. So I'll Venmo her some money since I stole some of her dressing. So hello, it is supper time. I have sprayed this side and put on some farm dust. Now I'm going to kind of shake them around. Hang on, I'm getting a glove. I've got the air fryer heating up. I'm just going to flip these. I'm going to rotate them and flip them upside down. There we go. Take my glove off here. And just give it a good little spray. Put some farm dust on it. I do realize that's not good for me to put that up there. Sorry. Good you didn't see it. You don't know nothing. So I ain't going to tell you what I did. Alright. So now I'm going to dump this into my air fryer. And I think how long did I do it last? Was it 7 minutes? Let's do 7 minutes and we'll check it in 7 minutes. All right, I'll be back. Okay. That's 7 minutes. It's looking good, but I'd like it to go a little bit longer. So I'm going to set it for about 4 more minutes. In the meantime, I've got some of my ground beef here. Microwaved. And we're going to go on and make it. You know me, if I'm doing fries, I want a burger. So we're going to add some of this farm dust seasoning. It's kind of just a good all-around salt. We're going to add some ketchup. I've got this hanging right here. When my mom picks me up, it has the eye surgery address for where we're going to go in St. Louis. And it's got the, I got my patch in it. My eye patch. And just, so that kind of stuff is in there. Hang on, where's my, there we go. I'm going to add some of these pickles, because you can't have a burger without pickles. So this is the bread and butter pickles. And then we're going to have some banana peppers just to give it a nice little fun kick. Just a few, just a few. Put those right there. Then, hang on, let me set these over here. I got to keep everything together so I don't get discombobulated. I'm going to add some of this ranch powder to it. I'm like, that sounds kind of fun. And then it just hit me. It just hit me. We're going to add some of our nutritional yeast crave stuff. We're going to put a little of that on there. Kind of has like a nacho cheesy kind of flavor. Y'all know I don't use cheese very much. When I do, I treat cheese as a garnishment. But I just don't use cheese very much. There's nothing wrong with it. But it's just more calories than I care to waste. And half the time I can't taste the cheese anyway. But nothing wrong with it. It's just... Anyway, so then we're going to put some of these peppers. Sorry about that. I'm going to put on some of these peppers. These are the banana peppers. I don't know. It just sounds good. Sometimes I just make stuff and then hope for the best. And I'm going to use this spoon to stir it up with because it's already used up. I'm also going to add... It's going to kind of tie the two flavors together. This is my salad dressing right there. And my salad dressing is the Hughes honey mustard mixed with the Hughes Polynesian. Both of them are his dipping sauces. Well, I use that for my salad dressing. But I'm also going to put it in my burger. And we're going to use it as a dipping sauce, just like the title says. And we're going to use that for our rutabaga fries. We're going to dip our fries in there. So I'll be back in 1 minute. Oh yeah, those look good. I think that farm dust gave them a good, like, spice seasoning look too. Now, actually, I'm going to leave that open and let it cool down. Alright, so let's give things a taste. Hang on. Hey, girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, so I got my dipping sauce. And a rutabaga fry. That's good. You gotta watch the ends. These ends are sharp and they stab you in the mouth. So that's why I was like. But if you take a small, normal person bite, you got no problem. That's when you shove a whole rutabaga fry in your mouth. That's when it stabs the back of your throat. I'm telling you. These are good. Now this, I don't know, this mess. Let's try it and see what we think. If you don't get to enjoy your food, I'm so sorry for you. I sure do love food. I got some fruit. So, that's my supper. So today's Wednesday. How are you all doing? Are you having a good day on Wednesday? Yeah. Today's my last day of work for you. So, tomorrow's D-Day. We'll see how she goes. I'm excited. A little nervous, but I'm excited. Y'all are going to be like, oh my gosh, could Thursday come any faster? Terri, you're getting on my nerves. Well, I can't help it. I can't help it. Alright. Well, I'm going to call it done. Because I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat. And I will see you in the next video. You have a good Wednesday. And take care of yourself. Jesus loves you and I love you too. Bye.